Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Robbie the Painter. I'm Robbie, and we've got a black canvas painting today. I thought we'd do another space scene. Sounded fun to me. So what we've got is our 16 by 20 pre-stretched canvas. I've already put a coat of black gesso on it. I have white gesso as well, and I poured a little bit out on my paint palette. I took my little liner brush and I made a couple of little white stars or planets on there. I also took a toothbrush and I flicked a bunch of stars on there and let that dry. Then I put a thin coat of linseed oil over the top of that. And that's where we're at right now. Got my paint palette. I'll run the colors over here that we're using. We may add or not use everything that's on here. I took a little of the cad yellow and alizarin crimson, and I mixed up an orange color, and that's what I got going here in the middle. We're going to go into this orange color that I mixed up. Just dab a little bit on your brush. We're going to come up here, make some swirls. Just start swirling it around a little. We're going to come up here and blend a little bit. Starting from the center in here, I'm going to blend this center a little bit. Same dirty brush. Going to swirl in a little titanium white, and it's got a little of that orangey color on it already. Grab some titanium white and some cadmium yellow. And I'm going to come into straight titanium white. With a dry 2-inch brush, we're just going to lightly come across this. I'm almost laying the brush flat against here so I can kind of control how much pressure. And then we can take a liner brush, small liner brushes, dip into a little white, just touch here and there. So I've got a little purple on my palette. It's a Winsor & Newton dioxazine purple, I believe is the name of it, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's our painting. We can do anything we want, right? You can do anything you want on this canvas. There's nobody telling you you can't. Okay, we're going to take that same filbert brush and we're going to go into titanium white. Get your smallest liner brush, dip into a little titanium white. The other thing we can do, get an old toothbrush and open up your liquid white, Bob Ross liquid white. Just get a little on the end of your the toothbrush. Now we're going to take our finger and make sure there's no expensive furniture or anybody or the dog or the cat, laying nearby, because they'll have stars all over them. We're going to come up here and just grab it and flick. You can grab a liner brush, grab a little of that liquid white. We can Stick it down and flick up like that. Give yourself a shooting star. And we don't really need planets. We've got a couple of moons up here, you know, that we put in. Have a galaxy way back here in the distance. And in the center there, all I did was swirl around in an oval shape. And there you go, you have a galaxy. All right, I think we're gonna sign this one. We're gonna call it done. Nice and easy, nice and quick. Next time we'll do some planets. This is more of just kind of space clouds, nebulas and that with some cool colors with our orange and our yellow and the white in the center, a little bit of purple and that. And so let's go ahead and sign this. There we go. We have a signed painting. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.